Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, Patagonia. The name itself evokes images of a raw, untamed wilderness. It is a land sculpted by wind and ice, a place where towering mountains pierce the sky, where vast plains stretch towards the horizon. This is Patagonia, the end of the world. Patagonia is a region of stark contrasts. It is a place of immense scale and breathtaking beauty. It is a land where the forces of nature are on full display. This is a journey to the very tip of South America. It is here that the continent tapers off into the icy waters of the Southern Ocean. Prepare to be captivated by its wild beauty. Let's explore the wonders that Patagonia holds. Come with me as we uncover the secrets of this remarkable corner of our planet. Patagonia, a geographical marvel, straddles the southernmost reaches of two South American nations, Chile and Argentina. This vast region, known for its dramatic landscapes and diverse ecosystems, is a place where nature's grandeur is on full display. Stretching over 400,000 square miles, Patagonia is a land of extremes, from towering mountains to expansive plains, and from lush forests to arid steppes. This division, marked by the towering Andes Mountains, creates distinct personalities within Patagonia's vast expanse. The Andes, acting as a natural barrier, not only separate the two countries but also influence the climate and ecosystems on either side. The western side, dominated by Chile, receives abundant rainfall, while the eastern side, under Argentina, is much drier. On the Chilean side, the landscape is characterized by deep fjords. These fjords, with their steep cliffs and narrow inlets, are a testament to the region's glacial history. The glaciers, which have been retreating for thousands of years, have carved out these intricate waterways, creating a maze-like network that is both beautiful and treacherous. These fjords are carved by ancient glaciers, creating a labyrinth of waterways. The glaciers, some of which are still active, continue to shape the landscape slowly but relentlessly. The sight of these massive ice formations, with their deep blue hues and towering heights, is a reminder of the raw power of nature. The Chilean side is also home to dense temperate rainforests. These forests, teeming with life, are a stark contrast to the icy fjords. The temperate rainforests are lush and green, with a rich diversity of flora and fauna. They are a haven for wildlife, providing shelter and sustenance for countless species. They cling to the slopes of the Andes, creating a stark contrast to the more arid landscapes found further east. The transition from the wet, verdant forests to the dry, barren steppes is dramatic, highlighting the diverse climatic conditions that exist within Patagonia. Argentina's Patagonia, in contrast, unfolds as a vast plain. This region, known as the Patagonian steppe, is a land of open spaces and endless horizons. The steppe is a semi-arid region with sparse vegetation and a harsh climate. Despite its seemingly inhospitable conditions, it is home to a unique array of wildlife. Known as the Patagonian steppe, this seemingly endless expanse is characterized by scrubland and grasslands. The steppe is a place of stark beauty, with its wide-open spaces and dramatic skies. The vegetation here is hardy and resilient, adapted to the harsh conditions of the region. It is here that the iconic image of gauchos, the South American cowboys, herding cattle across the plains, comes to life. The gauchos, with their distinctive attire and rugged lifestyle, are a symbol of the Argentine spirit. They have a deep connection to the land, and their way of life is a testament to the enduring human spirit in the face of nature's challenges. Despite their differences, both sides of Patagonia share a common thread. They are both shaped by the forces of nature, and they both showcase the raw, untamed beauty that defines this region. The landscapes, though varied, are all part of the same magnificent tapestry. They showcase the raw, untamed beauty that defines this region. From the lush rainforests and icy fjords of Chile to the vast steppes and rugged mountains of Argentina, Patagonia is a place of unparalleled natural beauty. From the snow-capped peaks of the Andes to the windswept steppes, Patagonia's diverse geography is a testament to the power of nature. It is a land where the elements reign supreme and where the beauty of the natural world is on full display. Even in this remote corner of the world, where the land meets the sea and the mountains touch the sky, pockets of civilization have taken root. These small towns and villages, often isolated by vast stretches of wilderness, are a testament to human resilience and adaptability. These cities, often perched on the edge of wilderness, offer glimpses into the unique culture and spirit of Patagonia. They are places where tradition meets modernity and where the natural world is never far from view. Ushuaia, Argentina, proudly claims the title of the southernmost city in the world. This city, with its colorful houses and bustling port, is a vibrant hub of activity despite its remote location. Nestled on the Beagle Channel, this port city serves as a gateway to Antarctica. It is a starting point for many expeditions to the icy continent, drawing adventurers and scientists from around the globe. It also offers access to the stunning landscapes of Tierra del Fuego National Park. Here, visitors can explore rugged mountains, pristine forests, and serene lakes, all teeming with wildlife. On the Atlantic coast lies Puerto Madryn, Argentina. This city, known for its beautiful beaches and clear waters, is a popular destination for both locals and tourists. This city is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. It is one of the best places in the world to see southern right whales, which come here to breed and give birth. It serves as a base for exploring the Valdez Peninsula. This area is renowned for its rich biodiversity and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This UNESCO World Heritage Site teems with marine life, including whales, penguins, and elephant seals. Visitors can witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat, making it a truly unforgettable experience. These cities, while different in character, represent the human footprint on this vast landscape. They are places where people have carved out a life amidst the harsh and beautiful environment of Patagonia. They remind us that even in the most remote corners of the earth, the human spirit seeks connection and community. These cities are not just places on a map, but vibrant communities where people live, work, and thrive, despite the challenges posed by their remote locations. Patagonia's landscape is a study in contrasts. It is a region where nature's extremes coexist in a delicate balance, creating a breathtaking tapestry of diverse ecosystems and geological wonders. It is a place where towering mountains give way to windswept plains, where the rugged terrain seems to stretch endlessly, offering a sense of vastness and solitude. Here, glaciers carve their way through ancient forests, their icy fingers etching deep valleys and leaving behind a landscape that tells the story of millennia, and where turquoise lakes reflect the azure sky, creating a mirror-like surface that captures the beauty of the heavens above. The Andes Mountains, the backbone of South America, dominate the western horizon. These majestic peaks are a constant reminder of the powerful forces that have shaped this land. Their snow-capped peaks, some reaching over 10,000 feet, stand as sentinels over the landscape, their presence both awe-inspiring and humbling. These peaks are a testament to the immense geological forces that have shaped this region over millions of years, creating a landscape that is as rugged as it is beautiful. These mountains are not just a geographical feature, they are a constant presence, influencing weather patterns and shaping the very character of the region. The Andes play a crucial role in the climate of Patagonia, their towering heights catching moisture-laden winds and creating dramatic weather changes. This interaction between the mountains and the atmosphere results in unique weather patterns that can change rapidly, adding to the region's mystique. East of the Andes, the landscape transforms into the Patagonian steppe. This vast plain, stretching towards the Atlantic Ocean, is a stark contrast to the rugged mountains. This vast plain, stretching towards the Atlantic Ocean, is a sea of scrubland and grasses, a seemingly endless expanse that offers a different kind of beauty. The steppe is a sea of scrubland and grasses, its simplicity hiding a complex ecosystem that supports a variety of life. Punctuated by occasional mesas and canyons, the steppe's landscape is a testament to the erosive power of wind and water over eons. The steppe's stark beauty, shaped by wind and drought, is a reminder of nature's raw power and resilience. This harsh environment has shaped the flora and fauna that call it home, creating a unique and resilient ecosystem. And then there are the lakes. Scattered throughout Patagonia like shards of glass, these bodies of water add a touch of serenity to the rugged landscape. Scattered throughout Patagonia like shards of glass, these glacial lakes shimmer in shades of turquoise, emerald, and sapphire, each one a jewel in the landscape. These glacial lakes shimmer in shades of turquoise, emerald, and sapphire, their colors changing with the light and the seasons. These lakes, fed by glacial meltwater, are not only visually stunning, but also play a vital role in the region's ecosystem. These lakes, fed by glacial meltwater, are not only visually stunning, but also play a vital role in the region's ecosystem, supporting a diverse array of flora and fauna. These lakes are a crucial part of Patagonia's natural heritage, a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life in this extreme environment. Happy travels ahead! Subscribe for more adventures. Subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Follow us on social media for daily travel updates. You've been watching Traveling Kangaroo. Text overlay. Visit travelingkangaroo.com for exclusive travel insights.